In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide lights and control light visibility in Cinema 4D and Redshift. If you've ever set up a beautiful lighting rig and then noticed the light object itself showing up in your render, or you needed a light to affect only certain parts of your scene, this walkthrough is for you. We'll look at three practical approaches: hiding the light object from the render, controlling which objects a light influences, and for Redshift users, making objects invisible to the camera while keeping their lighting interactions. Let's begin with the quickest method, hiding the light from the render but keeping its illumination. Select your light object in the Object Manager. In the Attributes Manager, open the Basic tab and find the Renderer Visibility attribute. Turn that off. This tells Cinema 4D not to render the light object itself, perfect for area lights or spotlights you don't want to see directly, while preserving the light it casts on your scene. It's a clean, non-destructive way to keep your lighting intact without the physical light shape appearing in frame. Next, let's talk about controlling a light's influence on specific objects. Apply a project tag to the light. This tag gives you include and exclude controls, letting you explicitly list which objects the light should affect and which it shouldn't. If you put objects in the include list, the light will only influence those. If you use exclude, the light will affect everything except the items you list. This is great for guiding attention, preventing unwanted highlights, or isolating fills and rims for better art direction. It keeps your lighting rig flexible and efficient, especially in complex scenes. Finally, for those rendering with Redshift, you can make an object invisible to the camera while still participating in lights, reflections, or shadows. Add an RS object tag to the object you want to hide from the camera. In the tag's override settings, enable the override and set it so the object is invisible to the camera. This is extremely useful for proxy geometry used as light blockers, reflection cards, or any helper object you don't want to see in the final shot. The beauty here is that the object can continue to catch shadows or reflect light, preserving the look you've crafted without cluttering the render. As you work, make quick test renders or use a render region to confirm the results. Small iterations help you dial in exactly what's visible, what's influencing, and what's hidden, so your final render looks exactly as intended.